today's rapidly expanding global automotive market, vehicle safety continues to be a priority for OEMs, global regulatory groups, and consumers. With more miles driven in smaller vehicles and more inexperienced drivers in emerging markets, more older drivers facing their own unique challenges, and more in-vehicle distractions for everyone. Delphi's MyFi Connecting with Safety system demonstrates Delphi's leadership in safety, connectivity, and system integration, and Delphi's ongoing commitment to safely protect drivers and passengers while still allowing them to remain safely connected on the go. With the cloud-based portal jointly developed by Delphi and Microsoft, you have access to your vehicle no matter where you are. You can check on your vehicle's state of health. Is your tire pressure low? Do you need gas? Is it time for an oil change? You can even personalize your displays to individualize your driving experience with different colors, digital and analog versions, or a performance version. You can also personalize your driving experience with applications designed for automotive use. Once you've selected the apps you want, like Slacker or Pandora, they will be automatically downloaded and ready for you to use in your vehicle. With the Delphi smartphone app, you have all the capabilities of the portal in your pocket. For example, you can use your smartphone to see if you left your windows down and close them if you need to. If you left your vehicle unlocked, you can lock it. We all need to feel secure. This app takes safety and security to the next level. If your vehicle is being tampered with, not only are you alerted, but the vehicle's 3 cameras will send a view of the vehicle's interior to your phone. If need be, you can initiate a video recording, call 911, and disable your vehicle all from the security of a remote location. The MyFi experience begins with a touch of the ignition button. 3 screens come to life. Reconfigurable displays and software are automotive grade. The first thing you'll do is dock your smartphone. Our embedded wireless charging technology means your phone is always charged and ready to go. Once it's docked, personalization begins. The phone has identified the driver and pulled in the personalization settings that were previously selected on the portal. All the apps you personally selected on the portal now show up on the vehicle display. The center display is a fully reconfigurable touchscreen with access to media, climate controls, and navigation. The cluster is also reconfigurable. You'll see the speedometer, your tachometer, all the traditional gauge packages. One of the new elements is the high mount display. It's located in the driver's forward view, and in combination with steering wheel controls and voice interface, it helps keep the driver's eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Apps may be selected using the steering wheel controls. Let's choose the internet radio app we downloaded from the portal, in this case, Slacker. Now let's select a destination. Let's say you need to find a bank machine near your current location. Just ask, where's the nearest bank machine?
Where is the nearest bank machine?
Or you're hungry and say, I'm in the mood for sushi.
I would like some sushi.
The MyFi system connects to the cloud to find a nearby sushi place. Now that we've selected a destination, the Telenav application from the smartphone routes us directly to it. Notice the route is on the center display, but the important turn-by-turn information is also presented to the user on the high mount display, promoting critical eyes-forward driving behavior. Our driver state sensor encourages the appropriate eyes on the road, hands on the wheel behavior. To help illustrate how the system works, in the upper right corner of the screen, we've added a view of what the infrared camera sees. When the driver's eyes are on the road, you will see a green indicator on his forehead. When the driver's eyes are off the road, you will see a red indicator. In this vehicle, we allow the driver to glance away from the road for up to 2 seconds before triggering an alert. If he looks away for longer than that, the system takes action to bring his attention back to the forward view. That flash of light you just saw on the windshield is designed to draw his attention back to the driving task. If the driver doesn't respond to the flash, the system provides a more aggressive level of alert. The display dims and the system blocks the driver's inputs on the touchscreen. Full system operation is restored once the driver is again paying attention to the road ahead. Our Raycam uniquely combines a radar sensor and a camera into a single low-cost package and identifies potential threats in front of the vehicle. It supports features such as forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and roadside detection. In a low workload situation, with side and forward detection systems sensing no immediate threats, the driver has full access to his infotainment system. Thanks to an alert in the high mount display, without touching the phone and keeping his eyes on the road and hands on the wheel, the driver knows a text message has come in. The driver uses the steering wheel controls and has the message read to him.
Message from Tim Boldock. I'm running about 10 minutes late. I'll see you soon.
To reply, all he has to do is use the steering wheel voice control and dictate his response.
Tell Tim I'll see you shortly.
We use a cloud-based voice recognition system that understands natural language, eliminating confusing voice commands. The driver has been able to easily receive and respond to a text message without taking his attention away from the driving task. We're now in a high workload situation. Raycam, rear, and side detection sensors have identified many other vehicles in the vicinity of our vehicle. The yellow caution band in the high mount display alerts the driver that he is in a high demand environment. In response, we've changed the way the system will react for some functions. Let's assume the same text comes in. In this situation, the driver is only made aware that a text message has been received. See the little red number 1 over the message icon in the high mount display? He won't be able to access the message for as long as he remains in the high demand situation. Once the driver moves to a slower lane or takes an exit, and the driving task demand is lower, the message is accessible as before.
Message from Tim Boldock. I'm running about 10 minutes late. I'll see you soon.
Lane departure warning uses the forward-looking Raycam camera, which continuously monitors the road ahead and evaluates where the vehicle is in relation to the lane markings. In the instance of a lane departure, the system responds to the distracted driver with visual and audible alerts. Now, when the driver's eyes are on the road and he crosses the center line, the system understands his action is intentional and does not bother him with a warning. We've also added pedestrian detection functionality. With the driver looking out the windshield, a flashing light and a message in the high mount display alert the driver of a pedestrian in the vehicle's path. Now, when the driver state sensor detects the driver is looking away, an audible alert is also added to refocus the driver's attention. As vehicle-to-vehicle communication systems mature, vehicles will also be able to talk with each other. With this technology, drivers will know what's ahead before they can see potential threats. The combination of vehicle-to-vehicle communication and early warnings has the potential to even further enhance safety on the road. As vehicle safety continues to be a priority for OEMs, regulators, and consumers, Delphi's highly integrated MyFi Connecting with Safety system offers the right design, the right connectivity, and the right intelligence.